Hey y'all, today I am making cinnamon toothpicks. I'm using these little toothpicks and the cinnamon extract that I made on one of my other videos, which I'll reference later. Now, instead of using the cinnamon extract, you can use hot damn, fireball, or cinnamon essential oil. But I already had the cinnamon extract that I had made, so that's what I'll be using. All I do is I take the lid off these toothpicks, which is not a full container. I pour in some of my cinnamon extract. I put the lid on and I let it sit for 3 days. After 3 days, you pour off your liquid. And you put your toothpicks on a paper plate. And you're going to spread them out to dry. Once they are dry, you can then put them back in your original container and put the lid on. That's all there is to it. It's very simple. And there you go. It really is that simple. We would like to thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe because Tommy and I are trying to get monetized. You guys have a good weekend.